Here I have RAZER Phone, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings right here, then scroll down in order to find and select the display, choose advanced, tap wallpaper, and as you can see here you can use the live wallpaper if you have some. You can also use the Nova wallpaper options, so here you can change it and you can make some changes right here, and you can, for example, choose set wallpaper. You can use it as your home, lock, or in both home and lock screens. In my case, let me use the lock screen, for example. And you can also use the wallpaper from your photos, so you can use your gallery. So alright, if as you can see right now, if I lock my device, I see my new wallpaper. So let me show you again. This is my new wallpaper. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.